Hello students, welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am, back again with the most important video and most requested video for this upcoming exams. Right students, before I start, as I always say, Namaskaram, hello, Vanakkam, Shastriyakal, Adabarse, Channagidra and wonderful students. Right students, so what is the importance of this video? As you all know, we have only 30 days left for your board examination. Because of this pandemic, one long year we have been sitting at home and studying. Today, I'm going to tell you just 3 methods. What? 1, 2 and 3 methods only. If I have to tell you, okay, 3 methods only to get 95% plus in your board exams. Nothing to worry students. And before I start the video, once again, to all the parents who are watching this video, Namaskaram from my side. To all the teaching faculty who are watching this video, all the best. Your hard work will not go anywhere. Right students? As I said, what are the 3 different steps which you should follow? Nothing. Before I go into the video, I'll tell you one thing. This human body, this human brain is immense bundle of energy. Believe in your hard work, right? And if you believe in your hard work, you will be the best person, students. And second, you have to remember one more, that is, these 30 days, try to isolate yourself in a room. Because don't allow any of your brothers, sisters, anybody to disturb. You say, I am preparing for my exams. I have to prove myself in front of you all. I have to make my parents proud. So, isolate yourself in a separate room and start studying. Now, let us start off the 3 important steps, students. Step number 1, how to get that 95% in 30 days. You all know your exam is on May 18th. Correct? Exam is on May 18th and your English paper is on May 4th. So for English paper May 4th, I'm going to take out exactly 4 days for that. So for this English paper, let us take out 4 days. And what is this 4 days gone for English? After that, the leftover days for May 18th chemistry paper would be exactly 30 days. So, in these 30 days, you have to complete how many chapters, students? 13 chapters. So, 30 days divided by 13 chapters, it will almost come to plus or minus 2.9 or plus or minus 3 days. Okay, you will be having 3 days for each chapter. Right. Now, what is the strategy? Step number 1, remember students, WOC has been on continuous struggle to reach you, get acquainted with you, reach and give you quality education. So remember, I have done all the 16 chapters, that is, I have done one short videos. So your first strategy is, remember, please follow all the one shot videos which I have done. Okay, one shot videos which are done for all the 16 chapters. Okay, 13 chapters are there for the exam, but 16 chapters I have done. Ma'am, one shot videos are 3 hours, some are 6 hours. Remember students, the videos which have a title of saying one shot, my everything is done. Please students understand. NCERT textbook is concept based textbook, right? You have MCQs this time, you have assertion and reasoning questions this time, you have case beat questions this time, you have 5 marks questions, 3 marks. So all these requires concept. So my way of teaching, that is, I have done one shot videos considering every line of NCERT. Note it students, every line of NCERT I made a question. Every line of NCERT I framed an answer. According to what? According to your board pattern. So all the 16 chapters are kept as one shot videos in a playlist. Remember that. So what is your task? I said 3 days are there, no students. So in these 3 days, remember, you are going to take the first day. Okay, first day you are going to watch which one? One shot videos. So let me write these 3 days. First day like this. First day you're going to watch one shot videos. So select. So I have to start 13? First I'll start with solid state. So you watch the complete video. That complete video will have line by line NCERT. It will have a numerical solve. It will have reasoning questions. It will give you a complete analysis of the chapter. Over. That's over. On the day 2, what are you going to do, students? You are going to take, on the second day, you are going to watch PYQs, previous year's questions. I did 10 years previous year's questions, students. 10 years PYQs I did. So these 10 years PYQs, starting from solid state till your last chapter, biomolecules, everything is there. 10 years is a huge thing, students. Everything. Question is given, board question. I gave the answer according to the board pattern. So please watch that. So day 1 strategy to watch one-shot videos. Day 2 strategy to watch PYQs so that you will understand, okay, if this is the topic, how should I answer? Day 3, the most important thing. Now Vani ma'am is live almost every day, correct? So what am I doing? I am doing a series called Most Expected Questions. Remember, day 3 or the third day, what are you going to do, students? You are going to watch the most expected questions. That's nothing but most expected questions, most expected question and answers. See, students, I will not take any advantage. I will not take you into the wrong path saying that if you do this it will be. No, students, I know the value of education. I know the value of your future. So I am doing most expected question and answer series live. I am coming live almost every day. What are the timings? The timings are 3 p.m. to almost 4:15 or 4:15 p.m. Almost 1 hour 15 minutes of 1 hour session would be there. So step 3, on day 3rd, you're going to watch most expected questions. Till now, what did I do? I did most expected questions of haloalkanes. I did most expected of alcohols. I did most expected questions of aldehydes, and the whole full organic chemistry final revision. That also I did. Amines will be coming up like that. All the 13 chapters, most expected questions would come. I assure you 95% of the questions will come from that. Why? Because the most expected questions series is something which is hand-picked up from every corner of NCERT. So remember, it is according to your NCERT textbook. If you follow these 3 steps, step number 1, one-shot videos. Step number 2, 10 years PYQs. Step number 3, most expected questions. Perfect. You will be perfect with each and everything, and I'll write and give you 95% will not go anywhere. It will be on your paper. Right, ma'am, how should I plan? So remember, students, we have 30 days. Now I have an idea. Day 1, I'm getting up. Let us assume you're starting from tomorrow. Day 1, one-shot videos, completely you watch. Don't skip. Okay, if you feel you know the topic, skip it and go to the next topic. So completely one shot. So 13 days, if I have to tell you, students, 13 chapters, 13 days, one shot videos will be over. So like that, you are going to watch one shot. Day 2, watch PYQs. Day 3, join me live every day at sharp 3 p.m. If not every day, alternate day. Till your board exam completes, I'll be there with you, students. I'll never leave your hand. But only thing you should do, you have to watch it. Watch the video. Okay. So let us assume now all your most maximum schools practical examinations are over. So what will you do? You will start from tomorrow morning only. Just take from tomorrow morning. You're starting with solid state, right? And most important thing, students, once you are done with all the 3 days, how should you plan? First, physical chemistry, 1 chapter. Never study full physical chemistry, students. Why? Because physical chemistry should be, let me take out this and rub this and write that important thing, students. Always you should plan physical chemistry 1 chapter. Then, okay, this pen is not writing. Let me take one more pen, students. Right. Now I have changed my pen. So these are the 3 pens which I have. Let's see. Now how to plan these 30 days properly and effectively. I have given you 3 strategies. First, again I'm repeating, watching one shot videos which will cover every line of NCERT. Point number 2, watching 10 years PYQs. Point number 3, joining me live almost every alternate day at sharp 3 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. for getting the most important expected questions. Now, how to plan? So whenever you're studying your 30 days, as I said, you are going to plan, as I said, 3 different days, and that too, students, always have variations, because your mind will not grasp all of physical, your mind will not grasp all of inorganic, nor all of organic. So what you will do, you will be first planning for physical chemistry, 1 chapter. Then you will be planning for next an organic chemistry chapter. Then you will be planning for an inorganic chemistry chapter. So always try like this: 1 physical 3 days, 1 organic 3 days, and 1 inorganic 3 days. You need to plan such a way that everything will be covered. Ma'am, now one question arises. Ma'am, how will I do NCERT textbook reading? Yes. So what you are going to do, students? See, though you have completed 3 days, that particular night, okay, 130 days you can sacrifice, because you have studied everything, you know everything. That particular night, before going to sleep, spend 2 hours or 1.5 hours to read the textbook. Take a pencil, quickly read the NCERT textbook and keep solving the questions. 100% you will be able to solve all the questions, students. Understood? So easy. Reading textbook is getting over. 10 years PYQs are getting over. One shot videos are getting over. Most expected questions, which I have taken the responsibility, you will cover mostly expected questions right now. The maximum, I think here it's an open platform, students. Everybody says 1 shot, this is there, that is there, full chapter. Remember, students, when you see something, don't get attracted with the content which they say it will be get over. Chemistry is not an instant coffee. It's a concept-based study. So, 1 shot, I understand people are doing that. Different educators are doing that. But 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, it would be summary of the chapter, students. Summary, when should you watch? Summary is something when you know everything. But my channel will teach a student who has not started the session till now. Even if you have not started chemistry, from ABCD you can get more than, if I have to tell you, 90%. And the students who are watching me from the beginning, you will get more than 95+% students. So if you follow this strategy, what I said, you will surely get through the success. I'm there for you all. And one more important thing, I have sent my Telegram channel link. Telegram channel link is in the description. Please join me, because in the Telegram channel link, I'll be sharing the updates which I'm doing. I'll be sharing notes which I'm going to send you. I'll be sharing worksheets which I'm going to send you. Everything. Right? So my request, students, from today, exactly 30 days, wake up, and I request you to like, share, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be there with you all forever. You, your brothers, your friends, anybody who is going to join WOC is a free platform. Nothing is charged from you, because I have the passion of teaching. I have that passion to share the knowledge with you all. I'm sending. So my request, any doubt, ask me in the comment section. But join me in the Telegram channel today only. I'll be waiting for you all, students. So I think my strategy is clear. Check the playlist. My channel has everything. If you go to physical chemistry, chapter wise divisions are there. If you go to inorganic chemistry, reasoning questions are there. Videos will explain the reactions, that is there. Full chapter is there. If you go to organic chemistry, conversions video, distinguishing videos, if I have to tell you, flow charts are there. If I have to tell you, 1 shot videos, organic chemistry in 3 days videos, everything is there in my channel, students. But only one thing, you should come, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and join the Telegram channel. Simple as that, right, students? So I'm requesting all to join today. All the best for your exam. As I said, 1 strategy follow, 2, as I said, go through that PYQs. 3, you have to just follow me live. That's all. Thank you so much. I'll meet you again very soon with an important video. See you tomorrow live at sharp 3 p.m. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.